Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to open zip files on Telegram. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Telegram application and then open a chat with zip file you want to download. After that, you need to click on that zip file, and then in the middle of the screen you need to click on Preview Content button. After that, you will see all information about this zip file. But if you have no preview content button, all you need to do is to click on that zip file name at the top of your screen and then save to files. Then save at the top right corner. After that, you need to go to your files application. Now, as you can see, this is your zip file. All you need to do is to click on that file. And now, as you can see, this folder appeared right up here. All you need to do is to click on that folder, and this is all your documents from that zip file. And that's how to open zip files on Telegram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.